Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Welcome to yet another episode of the Grooming Guru, and a lot of you have been asking me to showcase some of my favorite grooming products. So I've decided to do 5 of my favorite grooming products today. And before I start, let me tell you that all of the grooming products that I do, tried and tested by me. This is not an ad, honest review, and I'm going to tell you what I think, and of course you're going to let me know what you think as well. So let's start. So my first favorite grooming product is the Himalaya Purifying Neem Green Face Wash, which I've been using for almost 12 to 15 years, ever since this came out into the market. And this is absolutely amazing for my face because apparently it prevents pimples. It's got neem, so neem helps curb any inflammation and prevent pimples. Smells really good. It's got a nice soapy texture, soft, and of course use this twice a day in the shower, morning and evening, and of course in the middle of the day at work if you're feeling really greasy. It's nice to freshen up your skin as well, so definitely recommended by me. While on the subject of skincare, I recently discovered this product, which is the Body Shop Tea Tree Oil. Yeah, this is what it looks like, the Body Shop Tea Tree Oil. And this is basically a lot of you guys have been asking me for solutions and products when you have a breakout on your skin or a little zit or something, and this is something I discovered about 6 months ago because I was reading reviews. There was a phase when I was breaking out on my forehead, so I was kind of panicking and I needed something to kind of dry out the pimples and of course help with clearing the skin, spot removal. So this is what it is. Basically open it up, take a little drop onto your finger and just put it on the forehead. So I've got this little stubborn zit here. I've noticed that it has definitely lightened some of the spots on my face. Over the past 6 months I had a few spots here which it has kind of worked on, so definitely recommend the tea tree oil. Next, this is my all-time favorite hair product, the Kama Ayurveda Bringadi Intensive Hair Treatment. I've been using this for about 2 years now. This is basically a hair oil that you use and you leave in for about 30 minutes before your shower. It smells absolutely vile. Oh my god, it's really strong Ayurvedic smell. So it's really thick and you put it into your hair for about 30 minutes and then wash it off. You need 2 shampoo washes to wash it off because it's really thick. This is apparently prescribed in Ayurveda for lush hair growth and to prevent hair loss. Yes, sometimes on shoot weeks when I have a lot of hair product in my face, I do definitely notice a lot of hair fall. This has helped in, I've noticed a noticeable change where I have seen no hair loss with this. So definitely made my hair thicker and lusher, and as you can see, seems to be looking nice. So the Kama Bringadi Intensive Hair Treatment is what I recommend for sure. This is really interesting, the moisturizer. Moisturizer is something that I can really talk about for hours because I'm always on the lookout for good moisturizers that suit my skin, and I discovered this Clinique dramatically different hydrating jelly recently, and I've been using it and I have to say that's absolutely amazing. So I used a Shiseido moisturizer last year which didn't suit my face. I was breaking out, so I had to stop using it. And then I went back to my Kama moisturizer which was really working well, and then I discovered the dramatically different hydrating jelly. So basically this moisturizer is a jelly format. It's like a water-based jelly format which is so light and non-greasy. You just slap it onto your skin and it feels like a second skin. It feels like you have nothing on at all. But what's interesting is that this Clinique ID is actually this cartridge. So there are different cartridges that you can buy for different skin concerns, you know, like fatigue or fine lines and wrinkles or texture problems or whatever. So I've got this cartridge which is to smoothen out uneven texture. So you basically push the cartridge into this bottle of hydrating jelly, and the product from the cartridge and the hydrating jelly come out together from here and you put it onto your face. So I use it in the nights and it's really amazing. I wake up in the morning looking visibly moisturized and refreshed. And of course my 5th product is something that I highly recommend to you guys. This is Spa Ceylon's Sleep Body Mist. So you know when you're going to sleep, you want something to just spray onto your neck to smell good, but you don't want it to be a cologne because our men's colognes are really strong and you don't want to have that smell in the night. So this is basically just a little body mist, and it's really amazing because it's got some ingredients that literally knock you out and make you feel sleepy. I use this every day in addition to the Spa Salon Sleep Balm that I put on my nose, and I absolutely love this product. So these are the 5 products that I'm currently using and I swear by. I'd love to hear from you guys on what you think are the cool grooming products. So let me know what you think. Leave me a comment. If you have any grooming concerns, please let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Leave me a comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'd love to hear from you guys. And of course, till my next video, stay tuned.